Hey Cindy, all the units have the capacitors now. This is inverter number 5. That's the last one that I put a capacitor right now. Inverter number 6, I put a capacitor like I said, but that unit, I even swapped the bottom part like I told you, and it didn't start at all. This unit is working properly. This is one of the units that was working all the time, but it's singles, like I said. All these units, I tried using them in parallel, like I told you before, and there was a lot of rebooting, a lot of issues. But anyway, number 6 and number 3, when they were in charging mode, for some reason they stopped working, and now they don't work at all. Number 5, it's been working good, no problems, but it's singles, not as in parallel. All these units, I'm not able to keep them working. And like I told you, the only reason I shut down right now was to put this capacitors, okay? But these units, they have been working since April 8, non-stop, 24/7, okay? 24/7, every single day. And working all the time, no issues. The only problem is, like I said, they're working in singles. It's all, everything's split. I split all my loads. So number 3 has a capacitor. Number 4 has a capacitor. Number 4, as you can see, is working good. No problems at all. Number 3 is out, like I told you. I put a capacitor in it, but still is out. It won't turn on. And like I said, I tested with this from another inverter, from a working inverter. And it's not this. I even tested this part on another inverter. This part is working. So these 2 parts are working on these inverters. Number 2 is working great, no problems. And number 1 is off right now. It's in charging mode, so at night it's off. But like I told you, this one's working on a schedule. This one will turn on tomorrow morning. With the solar panels, it'll turn on in charging mode. Then after a while, it'll turn on to start generating power for my pool equipment. And it's doing great. Like I said, all these units are doing good as singles, not in parallel. And like I said, right now we have 2 that are not working. So I need to get those 2 working in order for me to put everything back in parallel and then put the magnets that you guys sent me. At this point, we're just trying to figure out how to fix this one, number 3, and number 6. Like I said, as you can see, take a look. There is power there, okay? So the breaker's on. That's power coming from the batteries. Turn on, there's nothing happens. It has a capacitor in it and everything, nothing happens. Right now it's at night, so there's no power coming from the solar panels anyway. So now it's off, and I'm gonna disconnect the power just in case. Okay, so power's off. And the same for number 3. Number 3, actually I don't even have a load, okay? But I should be able to turn it on. If I put power here, there's power here, okay? So I should be able to turn it on. It won't turn on, okay? So my power's off, coming from the batteries. Power's off. And I have the solar panels disconnected. I don't want any kind of problems. And there's no load, like I told you. This one has no load. Cables are here, in case I want to put a load. But I just had it working in charging mode. And that's when the number 3 and number 5, they quit. All the other ones are working good, but it's single units, okay? I'll share this video with you. But anyway, please talk to your tech support, see if they can find a solution for this, see what else they want me to do to get this units back working. We have we're out of enough charging for my batteries. I mean, I'm still doing it kind of okay, you know, but not the way we're supposed to. That's the reason we have all these panels. Each one of these inverters is using 12 solar panels. So right now we're out of 24 solar panels because those 2 inverters are not charging anymore. Okay. After we get everything figured out and get them all to work again, then we're gonna put them all in parallel again, and then we're gonna put those magnets that you mentioned. And I have them here. I'm not even putting the web box, you know, because I mean, what's the purpose? I need the units working. So like I said, we have 4 units working real good, and 2 units are out. 2 units are out. I mean, you can see here the lights, you know. This one here right now, inverter, there is no charging because their solar panels, it's nighttime, so it's not working. And like I told you, number 1 is the one that is working with schedule. So right now, the inverter is off. That's actually a great feature, because right now it's not taking any power for the batteries. With that schedule, it'll turn on automatically in the morning when the sun comes out. And this one is working 24/7. This one here is one of the ones that is not working, is number 3. Number 4 is working 24/7. And number 5 is working 24/7. And number 6 is not working at all. Because, like I said, it went out when it was working on charging mode. I'll share this with you. Thank you, Cindy.